Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with MasterCode Online. Leave us a comment. Let us know how we're doing. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'd be more than happy to help you out. Today we're going to look at the min built-in function. And let's get started. We'll first look at the min built-in function on list of strings. So A is going to represent that list, and we're going to have bird, cat, bear, and alligator, and ape. Alright, so what is going to happen when we call min on this? Well, it's going to return the lowest letter in the alphabet. Alright, so let's go ahead and do min, and we'll pass A as the argument, and it will return alligator. Alright, alligator is the lowest alphabetical character in the list. Alright, so that's what happens when you have a list of strings. You call min, you get the lowest in the alphabet. Alrighty, let's go ahead and take a look at min on a list of numbers. A is equal to, and I'm just going to throw a bunch of numbers in here, 3, 12, 4, 1, 43, 12, I already did 12, whatever. 3, 4, 6, and 9. Alright, and let's call the min function, pass A, and we get 1. See 1 right here? It's the lowest number in the list of numbers. Alright. How about if we call the min built-in function on a list of lists? So a nested list or a matrix, whatever you want to call it. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. A is equal to a list, and then in there we're going to have another list. We're going to have dog, cat, bear. Alright, close out the square bracket, and let's go ahead and then make another list. We'll have horse, and that's going to be the other one in that list. And let's have one more list, and let's have ape and another primate, monkey. There we go. Close out both lists. Now let's go ahead and call the min function, pass A as an argument, and we get ape and monkey. Ape is the lowest in the alphabet, so we get returned ape and monkey. If you have any questions about the min built-in function, leave a comment below or visit mastercode.online. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a lovely evening.